To secure the unit from tipping, install the anti-tip bracket from the hardware kit. The anti-tip bracket must be screwed either to the rear wall using the 3 holes in the center or to the floor using the 4 holes on the sides. Use the floor mounting method if the bracket is not against a wall. For floor mounting, screw the anti-tip bracket 25 inches from the front of the opening. Note that the exact location for mounting the anti-tip bracket from the right side of the wall varies according to unit dimensions as displayed on screen. Mark 3 holes for rear wall mounting or 4 holes for floor mounting. Mount the anti-tip bracket centered at the marks and flush to the wall. The bracket hardware is provided for mounting into wood, steel studs, and concrete. Refer to the installation guide to know the tools required for each mounting type. If the enclosure is deeper than 25.5 inches, the anti-tip bracket should be secured to the floor 25 inches from front of the enclosure.